this is the outfit. I'm wearing these slacks with this tank top that I did the hack that everybody's doing where they just pull it over one shoulder. Yeah. So my plan for today is to go shopping by myself just for some retail therapy. Yeah, I didn't eat at all today. I am on a diet, so I'm gonna choose wisely on my meal. So yeah. So I'm gonna order some DoorDash because a girl is hungry. It's currently 1 p.m. I just finished school like an hour ago. We don't have our last class got canceled because our teacher's at the doctor's appointment. So yes sir, and I am hungry. If you guys don't know, I've been going on the diet and I've been working out every day since last Tuesday, I believe. And it's currently Tuesday, the next week, Tuesday, so it's been a week. Anyways, I am going to order some Chipotle. That's what I'm getting. Total is gonna be $21. I got $6 off. A free trial. Huh? What? I used Postmates before? Why does it have my card on there? That was so weird. Anyways, I will get back to you guys once I order the food. Well, once I get the food. Oh, I got the goods! Ah! I'm gonna go ahead and eat. A girl is starving, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go finish this while I watch Attack on Titan. I have 2 more episodes left and then I'm done with season 4. well, the whole anime thing. So bye guys. Anyways guys, it's been like 3 or 4 hours, not 3 or 4 hours, probably just like 3 hours since I finished setting up my clothing rack, but I'm editing the video right now. I'm probably done with the footage from yesterday and today, but I'm still in call with Dustin, and yeah, I just want to say see you guys tomorrow because I normally don't end my vlogs. So anyways, hey guys, so it's the next morning. I just finished school. I'm currently gonna do homework right now while I'm on FaceTime with Nolani. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I
wait,
go out.
Nolani needs more screen time.
Oh my god. Okay. This is embarrassing. Dude, I was like so nervous.
I get sushi at
Bubblefish.
Bubblefish?
Yeah. Really?
Yeah. I'm not like, I don't eat a lot of sushi, so yeah, I've never been. This is so exciting.
Dude, I was like so car sick because I was like nervous and stuff.
It doesn't.
Guys, we both got vaccinated, so it's okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Is that your friend?
I do not know.
Huh?
I do not know who that is.
What the fuck?
Holy shit, wait.
Hi, can I get one medium wintermelon milk tea? I mean green tea?
One medium wintermelon
tea. Yeah.
Right?
No milk.
You want a bubble?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Oh, what are you getting?
Yeah. Can I get a large mango green tea with mango jelly, please?
Easy.
Thank you.
So should we tell them how we met?
Yeah. How did we?
Wait,
Did we just follow each other on Instagram?
wait, when did I follow you?
I think I followed you first. Because you were in one of the solo posts.
Oh
And I was
yeah.
like, oh, she's so pretty, and then I followed her.
Oh yeah, okay.
But I don't
Instagram,
know.
basically.
Instagram, probably.
And they were finally meeting up. We're getting sushi after this.
Is that ours?
What the hell?
I don't think those are ours.
Oh shit!
Oh my god. We almost got the picture.
Should we bring this to Bubblefish or?
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
Because it's just straight.
Let's go to Bubblefish. It's right next door, so. Yeah. Thanks. Hi. For two?
So go here, give me a second.
Wait, they have other stuff other than sushi, so if you want to.
This tea was good though.
Yeah, can I get the shrimp tempura?
Appetizer?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the spicy crab roll,
Spicy crab,
spicy tuna roll,
spicy tuna,
spicy salmon roll,
spicy salmon,
a rock and roll, and the Maryland roll.
Maryland roll.
Is that it, right?
Yeah.
And that's it.
Okay. One check, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna share it. So one girl can. That's too much. So you guys gonna share, right?
Yeah.
Good, good, good.
Thank you.
Kind of want to go check out like a gift shop. Though.
Oh yeah.
Like buy a plushie or something. No?
Do you want to go to that one?
Yeah. Let's
Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god. Look, they have the thing from One Piece. Oh, they have the keychain ones. Oh, I want like a key charm. I mean, not key charm, like a phone charm or some shit. I don't know. Wait. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, they're good, but
super sketch.
yeah.
I had to get out of there.
We bought some plushies and a keychain. My camera's about to die. I will see you guys in a bit. Bye! We're at a boba place called the Camp. It's so quiet, guys. Oh shit. Bye, Audrey.
We should do this again sometime, yeah?
Yes.